Hi guys, Anthony here, and I'm a professional forex trader with well over 12 years of trading experience. Also, I'm a developer of forex trading systems. I'm not an actor or something like that, and sorry for my accent, I'm just a programmer, not a public speaker. Okay guys, first of all, I want to thank you for the hundreds of positive comments left about GPS robot on our blog. We really appreciate it. GPS robot still provides very profitable results and still #1 on the main review websites. For example, myfxbook.com. Let's check it out. Sorry guys, I just take my phone. Here's the main website, myfxbook.com, and you can click on the systems and most popular systems. Here's the most followed systems table, and here's our system at the first place. Let's check this system. As you can see, profit is completely verified, and we have a deposit 100, and currently clear profit reached almost $500,000. This is really impressive result. Well guys, the demand for GPS robot is so high, so we are forced to close the sale sooner than expected. We don't want to oversaturate the market with it and reduce its effectiveness, so we are close the sales as soon as counter reach zero. Trust me, it's not a marketing trick. Well guys, I want to say you one more important thing. As you know, programmers every time want to find something new. If they have good results in forex trading, they want to have good results in some other industry. A few years ago, friends asking me to check Zcode system. For the current moment, it's one of the most famous and profitable betting systems in the world. And I want to show you something. Here's the main website of Zcode system. And as you know, we have a very big experience in support. And I want to say that right after my purchase, I got a technical problem on my side. I contacted them, and they fully helped me and provided all necessary info during 2 hours. This is a very good thing for product. When I first joined Zcode 4 years ago, I was skeptical, as I'm not really interested in gambling or sports. But I was wondering if you can really apply automated statistical approach to sports. And I have to say, Zcode could really do it, turning gambling into sports trading. Well guys, now it's a big community of people who do it for a living, and I'm glad to be part of it. Take a look. They now have over 200 automated systems. Each system gives you a specific pick to bet with a team name, unit size and type of the bet, so you don't need to analyze to calculate anything. They also have a big community of experts on the forum and wall who give you daily winning picks. I think it's a great way to bring you extra money by trading sports professionally. Well guys, thank you for watching, and let all your trades and bets be profitable ones.